We're in charge of ensuring that the materials required to complete the various tasks throughout the terminals and throughout the airport are available. Everything from our paper products, toilet paper, paper towels, all the way up to equipment for maintaining the airfields.
The reason why I would say it's one of the most important and one of the most vital roles to the Houston airport system is because without this product, our customers can't do what they do on a regular basis, right? We can't properly service our team members on a daily basis. You know, this is very vital to keeping our presentation standards high, to keeping that 4-star rating that we have at IH and keeping that 5-star rating that we have at Hobby. You know, without these vital products that we use on a regular basis, we wouldn't be able to keep our expectations and keep our customers happy.
We're the guys behind the scenes. They never see us, or if they do, they don't know what impact we have. But in actuality, the majority of what we do, or the majority of what we put out the doors, is actually paper products. But from your paper towels to your toilet paper, feminine products, those all come from here. And imagine 60 million people getting off of planes and using bathrooms. You're going to go through quite a bit. Last year, on toilet paper alone, we put out 250,000 rolls of jumbo toilet paper. Jumbo, that's the big stuff.
The best part about this job is that every day is a new day. You know, every day we're doing something different. Every day is not the same, right? I love coming into a organization that, even though it's planned and you may plan for, you know, ABC, we might do, you know, something totally different that we didn't plan for. But guess what? At the end of the day, it's all for the greater good.
For our traveling public is know that our job is to make sure that you have what it is that you need to get from point A to point B. We're excited that Houston is your departure or arrival airport, and our job is to make sure that it is one of the best airport experiences you'll ever come across.